absolutely exhausted. A birthday gift. Only 4 days. Rare. Studying. Complain or not. I told my story that there is wrong with me. Even if there was a red light and what is in one anyways, for the haul, she always delivers and then number one fan. Happy at strawberry stand. Do you guys notice how cute and purpose accessorizing it? Whatever as well. Putting your lipstick, lip balm, whatever. It has been pre-poned. Excuse my pronunciation. Staying up till 12 every single day. When I was messing around, like just but tennis ball. Oh my god, I'm so happy. 9 hours. Good one. Everything was so. You will be in the. Hello guys, it's Monday and we're in college and we have an event today and I'm absolutely exhausted and drained and I just want the week to end even though it's began just today and 4 classes of mine have been cancelled. 2 of them were cancelled and we knew about it yesterday, but the other 2 have also been cancelled, so I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I literally don't know what to do. Our last working day is on Thursday and we have events lined up this week, entire week. I have an event today, like basically the orientation of my committee. I have another event tomorrow. I am basically the camera volunteer for that. The third event is on Wednesday when we are putting up sale for our like small businesses. I'm absolutely excited about that. I think the third class of mine that had been cancelled will take place because I just saw the professor pass by. So we'll have that later class. But besides that, oh my god. This week has consumed me. This weekend was fine because I was binge watching stuff. I was binge watching This Summer I Turned Pretty. I'll be putting up the review soon for the third season. Till now, at least the yearning for Belly, yeah, it's amazing. I'll not spoil it here. Once this week ends, I am going on a vacation. I love that for me. We're basically traveling on my birthday. So it's basically a birthday gift this vacation and I've been dying to go there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm just absolutely thrilled. I'm traveling with my mom and my aunt. Man, I love it. It's just girls. The vibes will be immaculate, of course. I mean, when we booked the tickets, it was like August or June, July perhaps. So everything that will happen this week can happen because I am looking forward to the trip afterward and I really, really don't care about this week. We're just gonna survive this week and I'll take you guys along with me because after this, like our last working day is on Thursday, that is the 25th. And after that, we're going off on a break. So I'm super duper happy for that. Basically, it's just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Only 4 days. I love the fact that we have only a few classes and for the sale we have the stuff ready. I'll be showing it to you guys. I'll be taking you guys along of course on Wednesday. I haven't journaled for the longest time ever, so we will be journaling. Oh my god, I feel like I don't journal unless I open the camera. That is rare. Let me see what the last date I journaled was on. That was literally last Sunday. And this is a Monday. And third was on the 14th. So we will be journaling for this entire week. At least I have something to do. Oh my god. And then we have that orientation at 12:30. I'm hoping it goes well. I think we will be making a reel. I think. Let's see. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, we have noodles for the lunch and your mine is red, literally red, like me. 2:15 right now, and the day has ended. But I have a few errands to run, that's why I'm in college till now. And oh my god, I am dead. It's ridiculous, but yeah. Apparently, we had the Namian thing today itself. We have it today and tomorrow. So I had to go in and record that stuff. But we didn't have one single class today. There was no studying done today in that sense. And then we had that orientation, was really nice. One of my friends thought that no one was going to turn up, but people turned up and that was really exciting. It felt really in my element. It was like establishing the kind of community wherein you can relate things, share them. Just that bonding feeling that emerges in that sense. So this committee being established, and after that we made a reel, and afterwards everyone was like, home time, bye 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 bye. Like, yeah, good for you, I guess. You gotta go home. I have some things to do. That's why I'm still in college right now. Not ease, because yoga needs some sugar in her system. I need it, bro. I feel great. I love this. This thing wins hands down. Two, because I can. This week I can indulge as much as I want to. I allow myself to indulge this week. And the first day has ended. We only have 3 more days to go. I'm so excited. Thursday, we have the ethnic day. I don't think I'll be able to study anything at all anytime soon. Not even attend lectures, because we end up getting excused. I don't think I've attended a proper lecture since college began. Like a few of them perhaps. And the professor whose lectures I enjoyed, I'm apparently being excused from every single one of her classes. I don't know if I should complain or not, because being excused is in a way supposed to be fun, but then I enjoy her classes. I enjoy the way she was talking about. We were doing basically Western political thought, and she was talking about the philosophers. We were learning Plato and Aristotle. That was really fun. But then apparently I'm being excused from all of her classes for some reason, even though I like studying Plato and Aristotle and the way they thought and how they came to their theory. It's very interesting. I guess some things were meant to happen. My friend and I were lamenting that why did they have to continue with college this week as well. I'm literally in college and I'm complaining about college, but yeah, whatever. This week, literally, all it does have is events. Events, bro. Events. There's something or the other every single day. Well, we're grateful for it. Too much of anything is not a good thing. The view outside here is really good. I love the sky. You know what happened? Like when I was young, one of my teachers basically, I told my story to my friends. She was like, you're basically ADHD coded, which I like agree to a certain extent, because I do have certain symptoms that indicate that I have ADHD. It's self-diagnosed, but whatever. I love looking at the sky, alright, and I love zoning out. He basically caught me doing that in one of his classes, and I was very young at that point of time, probably grade 4 or grade 3. He tells my mom in the parent-teacher meeting, he goes and tells my mom that your daughter needs a therapist. At that point of time, the term therapist was not that familiar with Indian parents. Yeah, and my mom literally had an entire spiral. She was like, how can he say that to my daughter? Like, does she really need a therapist? Oh my god, there's something wrong with my daughter. There's nothing wrong with me. Even if there was, like, I think that every person should go to therapy, even if they think that they're very, linear, they're very secure within themselves. In order to progress, every person needs a therapist. At that point of time, it was not looked at in such a green light. It was rather conveyed to my mom in a red light, and she took it very seriously. It was quite hilarious, honestly, because I still love looking outside into the sky. My room is literally in front of a balcony, bro. I obviously look at the sky every single day, literally right there in front of me. I love looking at the sky. It's very peaceful. Looking at the sky, looking at the nature, looking at the water, bro, amazing. The breeze is also hitting me right now really well. And time is for me to journal, because we didn't end up completing the entire week thing in the morning. We only ended up journaling 2 days perhaps. Yeah, 2 days. Wednesday, no, yeah, we were about to start Thursday. It won't even be visible if you guys want to see my handwriting. Like, hello. My handwriting is horrendous. I know. Don't count for me. I remember having started this journal, and I said that I'm afraid that my handwriting is going to ruin such a beautiful notebook. It has successfully ruined it, but I like it. When I was carrying a pen that doesn't work to the library when I was supposed to journal, I'm like, what is wrong with you, girl? What is wrong with you? Perhaps everything is wrong with me. I know for a fact that something is wrong with me. Hello, guys. Okay, that was a little scary. I have basically applied mehendi and then I didn't want the dried up mehendi to get removed. That's why I've attached sellotape on it. I know, weird, but like whatever. So it's Tuesday. And you remember me crying and whining about the fact that I had still 4 days to go? Well, congratulations. Congratulations to me. We had such a heavy rainfall yesterday and I didn't notice it. I was sleeping like a log. My mom did. The entire city has been flooded. Yep, the entire city has been flooded. We naturally got a holiday. First, my brother got a notification, and then we contacted our professor, and then we got a message from our principal herself. Congratulations, voila! Today was an off. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Today was off. And I ended up binge watching the show. I finished watching. No. I think the last 11th episode, a little bit of it has left, and then I'm going to watch that. The plans for today have been postponed. I don't know about the MUNCL thing. I just know that the other event that was supposed to happen today has been postponed to after our vacation. Another important thing. Tomorrow is the sale. Tomorrow we have to put up a stall. Lulu Motive crochet items. I'll be giving you all a haul right now because I'll be packing for it, by the way. I'll just show you guys all the products because they're so cute. They're so adorable. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like I can't believe how cute they are. And it's raining. And it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It has been raining since the morning. In between, it stops. In between, it starts, and then a little bit of sun. I'll show you the water condition. Anyways, for the haul, number one, I think you guys have seen this in one of my like previous vlogs when I was hanging out with my friend. It was basically, wait, let me attach this here. Excuse my fingers for today, guys. This tote. Oh my god, I love it. Like the flowers kind of curl from inside, but the flowers are so gorgeous. Like, you look at that. One thing I can guarantee is that she always delivers and she always eats up with whatever she makes, and it's so pretty and so fascinating to look at, especially because it's so unique. It's like I can give her like some reference of it, and then she can whip up something really quick. So this is there. We're just putting it up there. We're just putting it up there in case people know what we can make. If they want to order, they can always ping me. This is the bag that has all of those things stuffed inside. We have, I think you guys already saw this baddie. This is another one she's made. Mine was a back charm. This one's a keychain. And we're going to specifically put this up for the stall. La boo boo, la boo boo, la boo boo. So it's gonna be fun. Then we have a lot of items actually. Wait, let me just, first up is Chicky. We have, so cute, it has that flower for if you've offended someone. Everything gets better with flowers. Or does it? Does it? No, I don't know. Then it has a bow on top. And it's like very cute. It's like so adorable. Like, cute chicky. Cute chicky. Cute chicky. Next up we have Miffy Back Charm. Miffy back charm. This one's also so cute. Like an entire Miffy the last time now, and everyone was like, "Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We want it." This time, since the time there was some amount of time crunch, and we were notified about it quite spontaneously, so we just sent it up. And oh my god, these are so pretty. You guys will be okay. Reveal in one. I'm building up suspense. 1, 2, 3. Are they not the prettiest things ever to exist? Like, look at them. Like, look at them. They're so pretty. Butterfly, back charms with these dainty flowers at the end. Where can I get this? Sign me up for it. Bro, number one fan. Sunflower keychain. I love the tassel. I love how it looks so pretty. This one's also so attractive. Then another thing that we have, it's a back charm. Sunflower back charm. This one's also very pretty. Then we have two of the nicest, cutest creations. Not the cutest, but very cute. Very cute. Reveal in 1, 2, 3. Capybaras. Capybaras. Like this one is the Kolu Molu fatty capybara. It's so adorable. It's like a piece of meat that is not a good. But this is so cute. This is so adorable. Another version of it. This one is basically a normal mini capybara with a hat, a strawberry hat. Strawberry hat. So cute. Oh my god. The cutest thing ever. This one is so cute. I just wanna not give it away. That is what happens with I just don't want to give it them away because they're so adorable. Then we have with us a honeybee. Honeybee. And it's got these two antennas up ahead. Oh my god, you guys are gonna love it. I know that for a fact. These are actually consumable things. Consumable things. Donuts. I mean, the vibes. Donuts. Hello. Who can resist donuts? This is the brown chocolate one. This is the strawberry. Is it called a ganache? You know, the top layer basically. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. Whatever. And we have two versions of it basically. Just can't, man. I just can't. The way she's detailed with the sprinkles as well. It just makes someone wanna nom it. Then we have two adorable reveal to you in one. Okay, it's already revealed. In one, two, and three. Can you guys see how cute they are? Like, do you guys notice how cute and adorable they look? Like, oh my god, are you kidding? And they have headphones, bro, headphones. They have headphones on and all. The headphones really make them very attractive and appealing. Also back charms. I think majority of them are back charms because we girls love to accessorize our bag and give it your own touch, especially by choosing what you can add it. What is that is the entire purpose of accessorizing it. What else do we have here? A strawberry and a flower keychain. This is also consumable. Oh yeah, strawberry is consumable as well. This is basically a heart stick, and this is the most adorable plushie ever. It's so soft you can keep it on your desk. It's your desk buddy. You can gift it to someone as well, of course. And it's so cute. It's gonna accompany you for your work and all of that. Yay! Oh my god, you will love it. A Miffy lip balm holder. Can you guys imagine the amount of efforts he puts in? Oh my god. You basically insert your lip balm or lipstick or whatever in this thing, this hole. To close it, you pull this down like this, and then you attach it to your bag with the help of this string as a back charm. This serves a purpose of holding your lipstick, lip balm, whatever. Girls, we use lippies. I have like plenty of my lippies, and in your tote bag especially, it gets lost. So the best way to carry it is by using this outside. It's hanging, it's so accessible, and we always need to touch it up. We always need to touch up our lips. So fantastic. We have this tiger as well, absolutely detailed and amazing and very pretty. He's a pretty boy. Like, look at those stripes. Even on the back, man, even on the back, like the effort, immaculate. We have this kitty that's basically it keeps your jewelry in here, and you can place it on your desk again. Your rings, your bracelets on your desk, and so that it's easily accessible. Yep, that's it for the haul. Oh my god, almost forgot this. Then we have this beautiful wall hanging. We have this wall hanging and flowers, very pretty, very pretty. It's a rabbit wall hanging. Yeah, that's it. We got the stickers in yesterday, and they basically look like this, and I have attached it with some of the, yeah, they basically look like this, the cellophane bags in which we're gonna pack it up and then give it over. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and we will be attaching this on. So I think I attached it to a few of them last night. Yeah, 10 of them have been attached for like easier to prepare myself from the very beginning. The sticker packet that will be kept along with other poly bags, but to show it to you guys like how we've prepared, it basically looks like this on top, the sticker on top, and then cellophane bags in which we're gonna give the items. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna go and finish the Summer I Turned Pretty. Yeah, those are the vibes. I have to do some content shooting for the items that we just packed, you know, for the Instagram. So we'll be working on that. Then I have to do some editing, and a few letters to myself are yet to be recorded, so I'll be doing that as well. And what else do I have to do? Yeah, I think that's it for the day. We're good to go for the day. But I'm absolutely glad that today was off. I'm so happy. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Tomorrow, perhaps. We'll have fun tomorrow. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Guys, it's Wednesday. Good morning. Not good morning. Yeah, it's 11:45, whatever. Flood came over and then ruined everything. There was literally nothing in the evening, nothing working. Some places had water filled up to the neck. We were worried about what is going to happen today. Yesterday night, we got our notification that we won't be having the online classes today and tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, that is. Instead, the vacation has been preponed. So basically, these 2 days are off. And my stall has been cancelled. Nothing. I have nothing to say because it was Mother Nature who has spilled water on all our plans. Instead, I edited videos yesterday night. I am going to binge watch now another series, When Life Gives You Tangerines. We're gonna binge watch that now because I can. I ended up watching like 6 episodes yesterday itself. I actually watched it on 1.75, so it's fine. So you can speed through it. But oh my god, I love it. I don't know how to pronounce the hero's name. Guanshik. Excuse my pronunciation. I'm extremely sorry for that. But I mean, bro is so gold. He worships the ground. Aesun, the heroine's name. Like I mean, wow, fantastic. This is why K-dramas basically delude us and increase the standards incredibly high. But you know what? Whatever. I'm a fan of it. It's nice to be delusional sometimes. If I were to rate When Life Gives You Tangerines, Life Gives You Tangerines, oh my god. I think we are on episode 6. We basically saw. Should I give spoilers or should I not? Something terrible happened basically. I'm not giving you all spoilers. The main characters, they are basically coping up with it. It's quite an amazing story, I feel. I mean, no wonder it has such high ratings. And I have been postponing watching this for the longest time ever. I had aimed about watching it like during the summer vacation. It's literally September. Like we have, wow, like literally the next vacation I ended up watching it. But whatever, at least I'm watching it right now and I will be done with it because we have been getting holidays. So what can I do? I have edited and recorded a lot of content this week. So I deserve a break. So you will be binge watching this. And I hope to, oh my god, and I hope to have this completed before I travel on Saturday. So besides that, I'll be editing the vlog that is going to come in this week. Like usually I upload on Sundays, but I'll be uploading that on Saturday. So I need to level up. We will be editing that video and then we'll be watching this when I am allowed to take a break. Okay, but first we need to edit that, so I'll be editing that right now. And then I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Hello, welcome back. It's Saturday, literally. Didn't get the time to record on Thursday and Friday because there were so many things to do. I successfully edited this week's 27th. I uploaded that 20 lessons in 20 years. That one is uploaded. I basically had to edit that till 1 in the morning. I have been staying up till 12 every single day to edit that one. Then I ended up completing When Life Gives You Tangerines as well in the week because I had nothing to do this time. So basically, I was home the first 2 days without anything to do. So I was editing and binge watching. And after that, there were so many things to do. And I was like, I should have done it before when I was messing around, but whatever. So today is the day. We are traveling. Today's my birthday as well. Those are the vibes. We already cut the cake. We had to cut the cake yesterday night because today we gotta leave early and dad wouldn't be home. Yesterday I was up till like 1:30 or 1 something in the morning because I was supposed to be editing. And we have a Blinkit haul again because gotta get all of that stuff in, eating nonsense, all that stuff. Also, in the last, I don't know in one of the vlogs, exam week vlog perhaps, I bought that Detan face mask. My mother used it this week. So it's not a waste, at least it's been used. So that's fine. I'm absolutely chill for that. The serum is left, so I think I'll ask her to rub it a little bit, the excess serum, because we should not waste it. Hello. So we're gonna do a Blinkit haul now in 3, 2, 1. We have the Blinkit packet here. I know it's huge, but whatever. Makhana, his mother wanted this. I have never had this brand, but okay. The one's butter tomato, this one's lime and chili. Gluten-free, plant-based, calcium-rich, non-GMO. I don't know what GMO is, but okay, whatever. It's roasted in olive oil, so it's nice. I like it. Then we have 3 packets of banana chips. Kerala banana chips. Love this. If you haven't had this, you're missing out on life. I swear to God, it's so good. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. You. lose your brain. You don't have it. This is so good. I had it once and then we haven't stopped ever since. Then I don't know, kurkure, chatpata masala, something. I have no clue. I think this is from my brother, whatever. Then we have the MT3. This one is another mask I'm going to apply today. From the last Blinkit roll, we'll be applying the nose strips as well. So yes, we're gonna be applying those two things today, this and that one. I couldn't find the rice or the lime one that we bought last time. Rice, lime. There were no other options available. Then we have, oh my god, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? It's like imli and those. It's basically those chatpata, things that wake you up real nice. This is so good. I even like the container in which it is. So yes. Then we have Happy Den strawberry flavor. I mean, who can ever go wrong with chewing gum? I like the wrappers a lot. This makes me hungry. Then we have Central Fruit pineapple shaped tennis ball. Pineapple flavor tennis ball shaped. I think I've had this before, but I don't recall the taste anymore. But it's nice, I think. Frutella and Tic Tac. Yeah, this one's orange flavored Tic Tac, and this one's Frutella, strawberry flavored. All of this going inside again because we basically will be leaving by 5:30, 6 o'clock something. The packing was done yesterday night. I was ironing clothes. Oh my god, my bag gave away after ironing so many clothes, but whatever. We are there for like 6 days. Suffice it to say that I'm over the moon. Oh my god, I'm so happy. No, Nazar. We're gonna go down and have this thing applied as well on my face. By the way, that series, When Life Gives You Tangerines, so emotional, so emotional. It didn't. Every single episode I was crying. It ties into the entire relation of parents and the children. And oh my god, wow, it was really good. But I don't think that it deserves a 9 point something. I think it deserves probably an 8.5 or an 8.0 at like max because it didn't have that much of a plot. Like it was emotional. It was like it made you realize the importance of parents, the importance of children, and the dynamic and the relation between the two. But then beyond that, I don't understand why it was given a 9.3 or a 9.0 rating. I have no clue. I would say that it's good for a one-time watch, but then not all the time. And we even completed the series today, the Letters to Myself series on Instagram. So I'm glad about that. I'm glad about a lot of things. I'm very happy today. So that's it for the vlog this week, guys. Next video will be, I think it's either the summer I turned pretty or my trip. They will be coming in. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. You guys won't believe what happened. Like, literally, you will not believe. It's 28th and I'm still back home. Yes, I was supposed to go back yesterday and I'm still back home. Yes. Imagine. Like, it's insane. Number one. The thing is that we were supposed to get on a train yesterday night at like 8:30. We were on the way. At 7:50 something, we had reached the station. 10 minutes away from the station, we get a call from my aunt that the train has been delayed for like 9 hours. 9 hours something. And it's supposed to take off as in 28th morning at 5 in the morning. We were like, we can't do that. It's like ridiculous. We can't just delay it. So while my aunt was literally arriving to the station, she cancelled the train ticket and then we got refunded. Today when we checked when it actually ended up departing, it departed at 8 in the morning. And that is not where the story ends. We had to literally book flight tickets instead for today, 28 to 15 p.m. today. So now we are on our way to the airport. So those are the vibes. We need to leave in some time again in an hour. I just want to board in right now. I'm adding my boarding pass right now. But yesterday was a circus, a very wicked one. Everything was so up and down yesterday. Oh my god, it was all over the place, especially at night. Oh my god. Yesterday's night was one that I don't think I will ever be able to forget. Yesterday in itself, the entire day and the night was a night that I don't think I'll be able to forget. Not forgive. Me, you will be in the background. Just sent in all of the information to the airport, to the app, and oh my god, it's like literally everything is so all over the place. We just hope that everything goes well now, and that's it actually. Oh my god, let's hope for the best, guys. Let's hope for the best. I'll see you guys later. Just pray for us that we reach safely. God, please, let's reach there safely at least. I'll see you all later. Take care. And thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, we meet again once I've reached the room there. Please. Oh my god.